Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective summer weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 1 tablespoon of Sabja seeds or basil seeds. Transfer it to a bowl. To this add quarter cup of water. Give it a good mix and allow them to bloom. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes for the Sabja seeds to bloom. Basil seeds or Sabja seeds are a good source of mineral packed with fiber, help you keep you full and thus helps in reducing the food intake, regulates the blood sugar levels, improves cholesterol and rich plant source of omega-3 fat. Now it's been 5 minutes and the Sabja seeds are well bloomed and ready. They help to beat the summer heat, so you can always keep ready some bloomed Sabja seeds in your refrigerator and include them in your regular diet. Keep this ready now. To a mug like this, add 1 ice apple peeled and chopped to fine pieces. Ice apple acts as an excellent natural remedy for stomach aches and digestive issues. Add the Sabja seeds to the mug. Then to this add a teaspoon of Rooh Afza. This is a concentrated syrup. This includes the essence of coriander, orange, pineapple, carrot, rose petals, spinach and mint. To this add 1 cup of chilled water and mix it well. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Now to this add few ice cubes and a healthy summer weight loss drink is ready. Drink it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. This summer drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter summer drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.